Today we're diving into the new Apple Watch SE 2024 GPS 40mm. This is Apple's most affordable smartwatch, but don't let the price tag fool you. It still packs a bunch in terms of performance, features and design. So what's new this year? Well, Apple has made some improvement to the SE line without jacking up the price too much. We'll cover everything from design to performance, battery life, and whether it's the right choice for you in 2024. So let's get started. First off, let's talk about design. The Apple Watch SE 2024 still features that familiar, sleek, modern design that we've come to expect from Apple. The 40mm version feels lightweight and it's made of durable aluminum case, available in few classic colors. You have the midnight, the Starlight and silver. It's also got that signature square display with rounded corners that's easy on the eyes. The watch feels comfortable for all day wear and you've got plenty of customization options for the bands, from sport bands to leather straps. The 40mm size is also perfect for those who prefer a more compact watch, but if you've got larger wrist, you might want to go for the 44mm model. So moving on to display, the Apple Watch SE 2024 comes with a Retina LTPO OLED screen, which is bright and sharp. The brightness is up to 1000 nits, so even on sunny days you have no trouble reading your notifications or checking your fitness stats outdoors. The 40mm display gives you a clean, easy to read interface with all the features you need at a glance. While it's not always on display, you get the higher end Apple Watches. The ultra brightness and low power mode help you keep things looking crisp while saving battery. Under the hood, the Apple Watch SE 2024 is powered by S9 SiP, which is System in Package, which is the same chip found in most of the premium models. This means you get fast performance, smooth app transitions, and no lag time when you're switching between features. So if you're into fitness, the SE 2024 will not disappoint you. You get all the core features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, GPS and workout tracking for a wide variety of activities. While it doesn't have the advanced health sensors found in Series 9 or Ultra, like the blood oxygen or ECG readings, it still covers basics and works great for most users. The GPS works reliably for outdoors activities like running or hiking, and with Compass app, you've got basic navigation tool at your disposal. Apple claims around 18 hours of battery life on the SE 2024, and in real world that's pretty accurate. You can easily get through a full day of use, tracking workouts, receiving notifications, and even checking your heart rate, and still have juice left by the evening. So if you're a heavy user, it might need a top up by the evening of the day, but for most people, it's good for a full day of wear. Plus, you've got fast charging, so if you charge it for about an hour in the morning or evening, then you've got some juice to last for the whole day. Of course, one of the biggest advantages of any Apple Watch is how it seamlessly integrates with the Apple ecosystem. Whether it's syncing with your iPhone, Apple Music, or the Apple Store, the experience is smooth and intuitive. You will get all your key notifications, control music, reply to text, and even make calls directly from the wrist. Plus, with watchOS 10, you get some nice widgets and a redesigned interface that makes it easier to navigate and interact with your watch. So is the Apple Watch SE 2024 GPS 40mm worth picking up? Honestly, if you're looking for a budget-friendly entry into the Apple Watch ecosystem, this is an excellent choice. You're getting a fast, reliable and feature-packed watch at a fraction of the cost of the Series 9 or Ultra models. Sure, you're missing out on some advanced health sensors and always-on display, but for most people, the SE delivers everything you need. It's a great fitness companion, an excellent smartwatch for everyday tasks, and it's a solid choice for those who don't need the extra bells and whistles of the premium models. So to sum it up, the Apple Watch SE 2024 GPS 40mm is a fantastic, affordable option for anyone looking to experience the power and the convenience of the Apple Watch without breaking the bank. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or buying your first smartwatch, the SE 2024 will not disappoint. If you enjoyed this review, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comment section, are you team Apple Watch or you are just eyeing something else? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.